garden is telling a story. It always does. While raining, and most days, we simply walk by too quickly to hear it. But today, let's stay a little longer. Let's listen. When I came outside today, I had the feeling I was in the first one here. Someone is already walking through the garden, leaving tiny pearls on every flower, every leaf, every blade of grass. As though heaven is gently whispering, I am here. I have always wondered if blessings arrive like this. They don't knock, they don't ask to be seen. They simply arrive quietly, like rain, finding exactly where it belongs. One drop for the roses, one for the lilies, one for the quiet leaves. Even the smallest blade of grass is never forgotten. Isn't it that beautiful? Mercy never chooses who deserves it most. It simply falls wherever life is waiting. Sometimes I wonder if one tiny drop was meant for me. Not because I asked for it, but because love has always known where to find us. I stayed just a little longer. It felt as though the garden was waiting. So I began to listen. I asked the rose, "What makes you so beautiful?" It never answered. It simply opened one more petal. I smiled, because perhaps that was the answer. Then I asked the trees, "How do you stay so peaceful when the winds become strong?" They never spoke. They simply remained rooted. And suddenly I understood. Peace is not the absence of storms. It is remembering where your roots belong. And before I left, I noticed that this unique flower is quietly blooming where no one was looking. And I wondered how many miracles bloom every day without asking to be admired. And then I placed my hand upon the earth between the old bricks, and I found a new life. Tiny leaves reaching toward the light from places that seemed forgotten. Life has a quiet way of blooming through broken places. Perhaps it has always known that what appears broken is often where new beginnings grow. I don't think life asks us to own its beauty. I think it simply invites us to witness it, to notice the ordinary miracles of rain on a flower are such blessings, and to feel gratitude before the moment disappears. And perhaps that's enough. So if one day you find yourself walking with the rain, don't hurry. Stay just a little longer. There is always another blessing waiting to be noticed. And maybe the garden has been waiting for you.